Your roof is one of the most important components of your home. It protects everything beneath it, from your family and belongings to the structural integrity of the house itself. While no roof lasts forever, working with experienced roofing professionals can significantly extend its lifespan. For homeowners in Macomb, roofing experts play a key role in helping roofs perform better and last longer through proactive care, quality workmanship, and knowledgeable guidance. Early detection of roofing issues. One of the biggest advantages of working with Macomb Roofing Experts is their ability to identify small problems before they turn into costly damage. Minor issues such as loose shingles, small leaks, or flashing damage can shorten a roof's lifespan if left untreated. Professional roofers know what to look for and where to look. By catching problems early, Macomb Roofing Experts help homeowners avoid extensive repairs and protect the long-term health of the roof. Proper maintenance that prevents premature wear. Regular maintenance is essential for extending the life of a roof. Roofing experts provide services that keep roofing materials in good condition and prevent unnecessary deterioration. For Macomb homeowners, routine maintenance helps reduce the impact of weather, debris buildup, and normal aging, allowing roofs to perform as intended for longer periods. High-quality repairs that strengthen the roof. When repairs are needed, the quality of the work matters. Temporary or poorly executed repairs can create weak points that shorten a roof's lifespan. Macomb Roofing Experts use proven techniques and durable materials to ensure repairs reinforce the roof rather than compromise it. This attention to quality helps prevent repeat issues and supports long-term performance. Expert knowledge of roofing materials. Different roofing materials age and perform differently. Roofing experts understand how various materials respond to weather, temperature changes, and time. For Macomb homeowners, this expertise means repairs and maintenance are tailored to the specific roofing system, helping maximize durability and lifespan. Proper installation practices that make a difference. A roof's lifespan starts with proper installation. Even high-quality materials can fail early if installed incorrectly. Macomb Roofing Experts follow proper installation standards and techniques that ensure roofing systems function as designed. Correct installation reduces stress on materials and minimizes future issues. Preventing moisture and structural damage. Moisture is one of the most damaging threats to a roof. Roofing experts focus on proper sealing, flashing, and drainage to keep water out. For Macomb homes, preventing moisture intrusion protects not only the roof but also the underlying structure, helping extend the overall lifespan of the home. Addressing ventilation and airflow. Roof ventilation plays an important role in longevity. Poor ventilation can cause heat and moisture buildup that accelerates roof deterioration. Macomb Roofing Experts evaluate ventilation systems and make recommendations that support proper airflow, helping roofing materials age more slowly and perform more effectively. Providing honest guidance and long-term planning. Experienced roofing professionals don't just fix problems, they help homeowners plan for the future. By understanding the condition of the roof, experts can offer realistic timelines and maintenance strategies. For Macomb homeowners, this guidance helps maximize value and avoid unnecessary replacements. Enhancing safety and peace of mind. A well-maintained roof is safer and more reliable. Roofing experts ensure that structural concerns are addressed before they pose risks. For Macomb residents, knowing their roof is cared for by professionals provides peace of mind year after year. A smarter way to protect your roof investment. Working with Macomb Roofing Experts is one of the most effective ways to extend the lifespan of a roof. Through early detection, quality repairs, proper maintenance, and expert guidance, homeowners can protect their investment and avoid premature replacement. For those looking to get the most out of their roof, trusted roofing experts make all the difference.